Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about modifiers in 3ds Max. So modifiers it's really like the most used um, in 3D Max. It's like you can edit, you can modify it, you can scope it the way you want. So first, to show you, I will create a box, and then I'm gonna introduce some standard primitive to editing the shapes. And yeah, so first I create a box, then I can change the length, the width, so maybe I would change the height of it to make it a bit taller. Then if you don't have like the H faces, you can go here and click on this one. Yep, so it's gonna show like the H faces. So first I'm gonna explore with, so you go to the modifier list. So this is all the lists that you can use. It's gonna be at the ABC alphabet orders. So you can just type the one that you want, so you have to go find it. It's gonna take a lot of time. So first I'm gonna try the twist. So here's, I have the twist. This is the angle, so I can twist it the way that I want, so you can see. And then they have like the twist axis, so it's like click on it, you can see like it's gonna twist based on the axis that you choose. So mine is like the Z, which is this way. Also they have like the limits effect, so it's gonna be like you can change it, but like it's gonna limit, like for example like the upper part, lower part. So I'm gonna unclick this. So now I already have my twist. I can add another modifier options at once. So maybe I click to tapper. So now you can see like the objects, like the tapper is to make the objects bigger or smaller at the top. And also the curve is to sculpture the bottom, where you want it to be like thin or you want it to be like big. So yeah, so maybe I'll do like this, make it like this. To the twist one, so the tappers also have the axis, also the limits. So yeah, and then there's another one that we can use with as the bend options. So for the bends, you can also adjusting the angle of it. So you see it's gonna left, right, or you can go to here. It's gonna twist like the axis that you're edit to. So now I'm just gonna click on the Z. And also it's also have the limits options right here. So maybe I will put this to a bit like this. No, actually I just put it like this. Or if I don't, and then if I don't want it to show, I can just turn it off this, and it's gonna be back. It's not gonna show this bend options. Also you can add like another band options. So maybe this one I would change it to over here. This one maybe change it over here. Yeah, you can see like I can add like multiple bend to my shapes. And then if I don't want this anymore, or I just want like one bend is enough, then I can just click on the trash can like icons right here, and it's gonna delete it for me. So yeah. Another thing is that I can add is that the edit poly, which is the common and then most used options. So I can click this. So for here you have like the vertex, edge, the border, the polygon. So now I'm gonna click on the polygon, and then maybe click on all this. And then press delete. Yeah, and then I can have like the vertex. It's gonna show like little blue dots that I can edit. So for example, I can click here, move it like that. Now I can just want to focus on the polygon one that I click, and I can delete it, or I can edit it if I want. So I can edit it down here. They have different options like extrude, bevel, and set. And now I want to add like thickness to my shapes. I can go to shell, and now I have the thickness to my vessels. So yeah, so I can change this, or I can just type in if you want. So yeah, this is the thickness to the shell, this the thickness to the vest. And then another options that I can do is that I can do the chamfer. Wait, chamfer, which is this one. So for this one is to this one is used for round and then smooth the edges of your objects. So you can see first it's like this, it's really like rough, and there's like edges, the edges is like sharp, but I don't want it, so I can turn on, I can put the chamfer on, and then it's gonna smooth out all of my corners. I can fix it, I can change the corner options. I can have it like quad, tri, uniform. So the uniform one is, which is this one. So yeah, so this is like multi options you can choose. So if like any of these options you don't want, you just press on remove, like as I mentioned before. This one is to show like the result of your image, like of the objects that you edit. So yeah, that's it for the modifiers. This is all basic modifiers that you can edit and use easily. Thank you.